Truck stopped. Let's unload. Grab the ladders first. Watch your step on the wrench or up on that lower section. Move right a little. There's still grime there. Watch out for that electrical box. Almost done with the top balcony. Almost done here. All right, I'm taking this to the front. Needs a final wipe. Ready there? Looking good. Almost done. Let's finish this column.
Is becoming green, and the fountain is flowing naturally. Looks beautiful now.
This side. Okay, moving over. Needs a final polish here. Almost done. Cove lights are coming on. Perfect. Check the underbed lighting now. Headboard LED is on. Looks good. We're done here. Everything's working. Get it out. Careful now. Watch the frame. It slowly. The edges look good over here. Nice and even, don't rush it. Ready? Almost there. Check the alignment on this side.